Okay, we are lined up. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can create AI agentic application. So I am going to, there is a one hackathon is ongoing. Google Cloud present AI agentic day. This happened in Bangalore. Here you can see all the information, maximum, minimum 2 to 5 members we can participate, and this is an offline hackathon at 26 and 27 January, and today we have a 5th July. So I will try to create end-to-end one project and demonstrate you how you can create a next level project using Google ADK and MCP Server. So if you want to know about Google Agentic Day, here you can see the and what who can participate and what is the roadmap available in Google ADK. So there are 6 programs available in this hackathon. So we are going to deep dive into problem number 6. Let's AI speak to your money. Basically, we have some. Let's go deep dive into what's the challenge. So AI speak about your money. So we can help of AI and we can invest our plan, how we can what is the balance in our account and how we can investment, what is the best I can afford a house or not, I can buy a car or not. So basically we use AI into decision making for money. So yeah, let's deep dive. AI today you can answer general financial question, but not yours. Yeah, means AI if you ask, but not your answer. AI don't know how many account balance you have, how many stock you invest in particular financial year. Yeah. So and also if you invest in multiple things like mutual fund, equity stock. So even more about there is a no reasoning capability, and without structured data, AI can't able to answer your question, and it should be real time. Means if I ask a question today and if I receive money yes tomorrow, so it will give okay in this month you receive this much money, and there's some we can draw some plan and we plot and we can do some reasoning and create a next level decision. So if we want to create an AI agent application, there is a one protocol we can say MCP protocol. So using this way we can create enterprise level application. So yeah, so in this the challenges is this. So let me go deep dive into what is the phi. Let me Google search, and phi is a one neo bank. Let me yeah. I think I hope my screen is visible. So phi is the one bank you can create your bank account within a few seconds, and there is a mobile app available in this phi money. And this is a not a just a bank, but if you investment, if you do some investment in stock or mutual fund, they will fetch information from there, and there is a mm, one page everything you want to see in your investment in phi money you can see this thing. So let's go to phi money. Yeah, five money opening account. Here you can see the customer care support and every other thing available in this particular scenario. So I will try to explain as much as I can in particular scenario, but if you miss anything, please put this thing in link description box so I can explain you in next video. Or yeah, so this is a challenge. So very straightforward thing this is a basically build a AI powered experience. Basically we need to create AI agentic application using ADK and MCP server. And here why we use ADK, because this is a Google hackathon. If we use Google Cloud in their product will be it will be more beneficial. Also there this thing they mention about in description also. So very straightforward POC. We need to create AI agent, and we need to integrate five money MCP server. And where you can find five money MCP server, I will create a one mobile video and show you where you can find this thing, five money MCP server code, and integrate this thing. So deeply personalized. So if I ask my question, it will give my answer. Also we have a Gemini. Yeah, here you can see they give couple of question. How much net worth I have? Means can I afford home loan or not? So yeah, couple of finance related questions. And not only this is just a question, but if you have a deep dive about budgeting and personal finance, you can create a next level application using five money. So this is a whole agenda, but in this particular video we just integrate what are existing MCP server available in this. So in real life POC, we can create a multiple agent and give prompt in such a way. Also, we can take some other API also, and we can take a financial decision. But for this particular video, we are limited to just Google ADK and Money MCP server. I hope this is absolutely clear. And yeah, means 5 MCP provides structured JSON data. This is a agent is a voice first and chat based application. So yeah, if you want to see, you can explore 5 Money, and I will put a separate video after this video or in between. So yeah, here you can see top money management app in India. Let me go deep dive into some 5 applications. So this is our agenda. We want to create AI application using ADK and 5 Money MCP server. Yeah, I think my laptop is not running fast because it's too old. If you want to support my YouTube channel, please support in my go to my repository and buy me a coffee, or support in sponsor in GitHub. So yeah, what is our plan? We want to create a finance AI agent, and this is our agenda. So we want to integrate a 5 Money MCP server. So without wasting time, let's get started. For development purpose, I use Google Cloud and their services earlier I told. So that's why I use Google uh, Cloud Shell to develop entire thing. And let's go to deep dive how you can create. First, we will try to create MCP server, and what are and after we change our MCP server to 5 Money MCP server. Very straightforward application, no other things. And try, basically, I spent literally 1 week or 2 week to learn ADK under the hood. If you have any doubt regarding any step, please do check it out. I will try to answer as much I detail. But in this particular 1 hour video, if we don't cover much, please write in comment. So yeah, let me yeah. So agent development created by Google, where we can use multi-agent system using Google Cloud. Yeah, so here you can see we are if we open a 5 Money application, so they launch MCP server. If you want to see deep dive into about 5 Money MCP server, you can do check it out this website, and more about 5 MCP server. So where you can find this thing? If you install the 5 Money mobile application, you can find this thing. Okay, let's deep dive into Google ADK and how you can create the agent using Google Agent Development Kit. Yeah, here you can see in agent development kit, if we go get started and quick start. So here we create a separate virtual environment for Python library. So if we run this particular command, this is a good practice to if you create any project in Python. to create a separate virtual environment for this particular project. So now this cloud cell is a Linux-based operating system. So using Mac OS or Linux command, we can activate our virtual environment. So what is the next task? Basically, we need to install our Python Google ADK library too. So let's install this Python Google SDK to um, install this thing. Yeah. So basically, in this particular task, we want to create a separate virtual environment and try to install Google Python Google ADK in this virtual environment. So next task is to create a folder structure. So basically, if you want to create a folder structure in this way, this is our parent folder. In this parent folder, create three files: init.py, agent.py, and env file. But I will give another way to create a project in more effective way. So this is a shortcut. If you want to create a multiple file or multiple agent, so this is a shortcut to create a multiple file. And also, if you want to copy paste our API using this way, we can. So we can run the command adk create file MCP. Yeah, so I will create a one folder. Its name is the 5 MCP, and what I want to use in this particular scenario, so I want to use Gemini model. So I will press 1, and I want to use Vertex AI. So because everything I run into Google Cloud, so that's why I enter as a 2. If you put 1, it will ask for Google API key. Yeah, so you need to existing and check out in link in description. Yeah, so I want to use particular ADK course with Easy AI Labs account. So I click here, and my location is a US central one, so I click this. So basically this command will create a 3 separate folder, and whatever we put, like we want to put environmental file as this particular project ID, it will put there. And we want to use US central one as our location, so it will put this thing into ADK file. And also they create a sample init file, and also agent.py file. Agent.py file. We are good to go. If you go to run, let's see deep dive, let's see run the file and see the output. It will take bit time, but it's okay. So that's why that's why please support in our YouTube channel, so I will buy a new laptop and create a next level video. Yeah, so basically in a particular 5 MCP, yeah, in agent.py file. So if we run adk create this particular folder name, it will create a sample agent, one agent. Yeah, I am a helpful assistant to user a question, user ask question to best your knowledge. Yeah, so whatever we ask a question, it will answer on based on this Gemini 2.0 flash model. So let's run this file and test this thing. adk web. Yeah, adk yeah, I mean, so basically we use web UI, so that's why we use adk web. Here you can see there are so many folder available in this ADK repository. So basically we create 5 MCP server. So that's why if I ask a question regarding 5 MCP server, it will answer I am a helpful assistant, how you can help you me. So maybe it will take some time, but eventually here you can see it will give answer. Here whatever we basically we use text as an input and role is a user, and I am a helpful assistant. Let's see how much time it will take to answer this particular question. Yeah, okay, we face some problem. So string, it's not an integer. Okay, I will hel- hello. A string indices must be not an integer. Okay, basically we face some error. I don't know why is this, but maybe this problem is occur due to my billing account, and AFC is enabled string unless maybe integer not a okay. Basically we try to solve this particular problem, but as of now our agenda is try to create MCP server. So let's, if this is not a running, basically we use our what we try to do, we try to integrate our MCP tool. So we take this command and try to run this thing. So let's see this thing is work or not, because this is a predefined code to run our file system MCP server in Google ADK. Yeah, so basically let's see here, if I change my path, and if I copy 5 MCP path, so it will let me copy path, and if I say hi it will give answer or not. We need to, okay, we need to run again this MCP server, or let's see if we able to answer or not. If this method is not work, then basically we use our Google API to run this our entire code. But in AI Studio we have some limitation. We run our command up to certain limit, because in Google Cloud Free Trial they give a limited access and limited token. Basically this method is not work, so let's go deep dive into back to basics and try to use our AI Studio as a authentication. Yeah, here we need to go in a Google AI Studio and try to create a one API key. Yeah, so I will cut this API key after the video is over. So let's run entire thing again and let's see now our project is work or not. If not work, we need to find the root cause of the error and try to solve this error. In any way, if we try to create a project and we face a lots of errors, we try to understand under the hood and solve particular problem. Yeah, here you can see this thing is work perfectly fine. How do we manage a file? So I will take list all file sizes of, sorry, this is a FKG. I will go to, let's go to this thing again, go to editor, copy this file, copy relative path, and yeah, this one, MCP. Okay, let's see, try to understand or not. No, we didn't understand, so I will copy entire path. Yeah, here you can see they try to give answer. So let's understand the deep dive. They use call as in MCP server file system. MCP server contain list directly with data. So if we go deep dive into this particular event, so yeah, here you can see there are event is there. Yeah. So this file system assistant agent contain a read file, write file, edit file, create a repository, list repository with sizes. So yeah, this particular agent will be called and try to give answer as per this call this repository. So now I will go deep dive how you can create 5 MCP servers, this our existing server. So very simple thing. Let's go to mobile screen and try to understand this thing from basics. Yeah, so basically in 5 MCP server there is a, this is our how you integrate this MCP server. So basically just need to in a mobile screen you see the things where we can find this code. So just we need to change our code. MCP in argument we need to mention MCP remove, right? Means I saw the I play the video how you can find this thing in our my mobile app. Okay, my R is not working again. Try this some problem. Okay, my laptop is stuck again. Okay, I will close this extension. So sometimes because of this I face a couple of problems. So yeah, please support our YouTube channel so I can buy a new laptop and create a next level video using how we can create a publish a whole entire course um, in generative AI. And yeah, so basically npx mcp remote. So basically here we run mcp as a remote, so we need to give particular url https slash file. Yeah, mcp dot file dot money colon 8080 mcp and Here we want to use MCP as a string, so that's why we want to mention as a string. Yeah, we are good to go. Yeah, we are good to go. Let's see. Rerun the existing server and yeah. So let's click on refresh and try to run this command as much as possible. So there are a couple of bugs is there. I tried this thing is earlier before. Why means I try to how what is my approach to create MCP server and what is the so that's why I created from scratch. But I will tell you what's the error phase in particular. Yeah. So basically we need to change also our prompt. Let's go. So yeah, in the file here we need to get file MCP assistant. Okay, file name is okay. File money MCP server. So yeah, let's go deep dive into file money application and try to get some idea how this MCP server is work. So yeah, MCP server now you for development. Yeah, so basically in mobile screen you can find this thing also, and in laptop screen also in this web you can find our JSON code, which JSON code we need to put. Yeah, here you can see how this thing is work. If you want to integrate this thing into Cloud 4, you can integrate it this thing. But let's yeah, let's see the setup, right? Yeah, in desktop you can, but before you have a you want to test this thing, you should have a some you should have some money or to test this thing. So that's why I don't encourage you to um, and there is a no title sponsor of five money, but I use five 1 year ago. So if you want to check it out, five money application, install five money application and get some reward. So in description you can go to five money application and install. Using this way you will receive some free credit also. This is a my invite link. So yeah, if you don't want to go to my invite link, it will be okay. But um, just for clarification, I um, from my side I clarify everything. Yeah, so basically here in this repository you can see everything how you can create what is the MCP file MCP server, what are the feature available in file MCP server, what you can analysis this way, and if you have a three cloud desktop, Windsurf and cursor, how you can integrate this. Basically you need a Node.js in particular file and put this thing as an argument and we are good to go. So we give this as an argument. If you can see in our MCP server also. Yeah. So timeout error. Let's see. Let's ask another question. Yeah. Um, my my recent transaction. So if we ask about can you all, yes, mutual fund transaction is okay. So basically, they don't have access of mutual fund transaction in tools. Yeah, here you can see they try to let me go to into deep dive into this particular point. In event number three, in a 5 MCP server, there are 4 features available: fetch credit report, fetch EPF details, fetch net worth, and fetch transaction. So using this way, they try to fetch a transaction. So okay, okay. Give me a login link. Here I don't have a login link, so I will ask give me a login link. And also we need to enter some passcode, so I will tell in mobile screen how you can. Yeah, please provide me login link. So basically I try to reduce the error, but maybe some I no please okay, please login in the provided link. After please paste this link again. Okay, um, give me a credit report. Okay, credit spelling is mistake, but not a problem. Yeah. Okay, great. Basically, they try to provide you need to log in using MCP server. So open this link. Here I face a lot of error. I don't know how to means where we face. Basically, I try to go again and again, but didn't able to solve this particular error. So once I found, I will create a next video and show you in time. Basically, in 5 money application, you use passcode. This will change in every 30 seconds. So make sure if you enter correct passcode. Yeah, access is authorization is AI, but I think now if I open in next step, let's see. Yeah, okay, here you can see the entire conversation of our agent, but where is the 127. Okay, let's go back and press session, this particular session. Yeah, login. I am unable to retake. If you let me know once. I already logged in, but why that didn't give answer? Let me create a separate session and try to do from scratch. Okay, here you can see they try to give my credit score is too low, up to 697 and 880 account. Oh, okay, this is my credit card information. Okay, no problem. Let's ask another question. So, my EPF details. Sorry, I don't cannot have a EPF details. I can here you can see they provide me like recently transaction. So yeah, this is good. You can see my MCP server is successfully integrated and everything is working fine. If you let's my network. So here you can see I will reveal my the net worth. Let's see how can means if you, that's why I told you please support this YouTube channel. So that's why we receive a amazing asset and create an entire solution. Okay, so here you can see the my entire net worth. So yeah, please support this channel. And yeah, and if I ask a fetch transaction, let's see. So yeah, for the MCP feature, I try and test it. If you now, what is our task for hackathon purpose? And here you can see means data, what I invest in this particular mutual fund, so they try to fetch information for there. So what is our next step to create a next level solution? Using this way, we can create a multi-agent and we can visualize this thing and take a use this thing as a particular decision maker. How um, should I buy a house now? Sorry, I didn't qualify the financial advisory decision. Take two. Okay. Uh, a predict based on my network. So let's go deep dive into our problem. So I am not qualified. Okay, no problem. We will ask this particular question to test our thing. Okay, I will try. I will try to create a separate mobile video how you can create a. But in this particular video, this is a raw video. I whatever I do in front. This is a live recording and try to solve a this create a problem statement from scratch. Okay. So can I afford 50 lakh home loan or not? Let's ask this question into this particular chatbot. I am not a qualified. Okay, no problem. Okay, I cannot reset the fetch network. Okay, it's not able to answer. Basically, we want to create a prompt and answer in this way to create a multi-agent system. I know, but give it some suggestion. I'm not qualified to give. Okay, this is a good problem. Maybe, yeah, give me my transaction in table format. Yeah, this is a game changer because here you can see. Okay, uh, means draw a graph. Okay, I don't have visualize capability. Um, give me a credit report in detail. Give me credit report details. Okay, basically they provide everything about my 69410 account, two closes. Uh, give me output in table and how can I improve credit score. Great. Um, Give me my EPF account details. Okay, this reveal my phone number and membership ID. Give me my network again. Network in table. Okay, okay, they will fetch my recent transaction also. That's a good thing. Okay, yeah, here you can see we completed our row. Now means completed our backend part. Now our task is to improve this existing server and create a next level application. So yeah, we are good to go. If you want to know about, if you have some business problem, do check it out. I will create a next level video to now. Today is just 5th of July. We have a lots of time to create this thing. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any doubt regarding this MCP server, okay, I will create a separate mobile video, screen recorder video for how you create a five money account and where you can find the passcode. I will didn't include this part because this is I want to stay raw as much as I can, and basically I didn't do any. Here you can see in front of you, I do everything. So if you stuck any particular problem, how you can solve, what should your approach to solve this particular problem, so you should know. So I didn't cut any part. I put whatever raw video I have, just I uploaded it in this particular area. So yeah, this for this thing for today. If you have any doubt regarding MCP and ADK, please let me know. Please connection and please another thing, I reveal my financial statement also. Please support in channel, support the channel so I can buy a new laptop and create next level video. So here you can see the quality of my noise is too not as much good. So please support this channel and donate some money, because this channel then I can able to create next level video. Otherwise yeah, thank you so much.